how to fix mobile view in Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix or use mobile view for your website in Wix.com. So if you're using Wix.com and if you feel the need that, when you're working on your site, you should have a mobile version, you can absolutely have that, no issues. And you can also edit or design the mobile version as well, just as the desktop version. So what do we have to do for that? We have to click on design site and it will take us to our website right here. Now you can see from this corner that this is the desktop version. But if we want to switch to the mobile version, we are going to click the smartphone icon right here. So we will switch to the mobile version. So let's just wait for that. Here you go. Now this is the mobile version. Now you can see that it is somehow different from the desktop version because it's more compact and it's more squeezed in as compared to the desktop version, which was more, I would say, elongated and had more space. But this is squeezed because obviously the screen of a desktop is different and the screen of a mobile phone is different. So that's the thing. But otherwise, it's exactly the same. You can add anything you want here, do whatever you want. For example, if you need to add a picture here, we can just go into add elements and images and picture. We can add this picture right here. Yes, one more important thing, that elements you add in the mobile editor are only visible on your mobile site. Now this is a very amazing feature that you can edit mobile and the desktop version simultaneously, so change in one will not affect the change in the other one. So that's a beautiful thing of the mobile editor that you can take advantage of. So that's how you add a picture. And if you want to add text, you can add text. If you want to edit this image, you can edit this image as well. That's completely up to you. You can change contrast and the brightness and highlights. You can do all these amazing tweaks here on this image, and then you can click save. You can also change the image if you want to, and you can also adjust the borders of the image according to whatever that you like. So that's also completely up to you. We can see this eye icon right here. This is hidden on mobile. Now there are some features on the desktop website which are not available or hidden in the mobile app due to various reasons. Now you can also click on it and see what are those things. Now these lines are hidden on the mobile app. So you can just, click and show the element, and then you can also change it back. Now, these are done in order to make your mobile website more efficient, so it looks more good and precise. Anyhow, you can also change the text here if you want to. You can also add text if you want to. Like you can just go to text and add headings. You can also change the format if you feel like. You can do anything that you want here, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.